right, damn right I got knives here. Something very exciting here. Happy Halloween to everybody. Got these in the mail today. I'm stoked. Let's get into this. I'm listening to this. The scientist rids the world of the evil curse of the vampire. Appropriate. Scientist, great dub music. Super amazing. Yeah, that's that. The Scientist. Moving along. Tonight I'm drinking this. The Stiegl Radler, raspberry flavor. Seems to go well with things. All right, moving along. All right, I got these. I think you know what they are, but let's get into it. I'm excited. Can't wait. All right. The black boxes with the gold ink. Limited edition. Comes with a sticker. Let's look at this one. Limited edition black box. This is killer. Oh yeah, let's see which one this is right here. All right, I'm not gonna look at the label on the side. We're just gonna open this right here. Ooh. All right. Comes in this thing. You know, the sticker and things. Let's see which one this is. Okay. This is the orange one. Not as bright of an orange as the photos seemed. It's a little bit more of a muted orange. And one of these I'm going to be selling, and one I'm going to be keeping. And I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm going to be selling, but I'm not entirely sure yet. But I'm not going to flip this one. That's as much as I'm going to do with it, so people know that it hasn't really been used. But let's take a look at this a little closer. Squid Industries. I wonder if it's numbered or anything anywhere. It's just a limited edition that says 2020 right there. But I don't think they're individually numbered or anything. Super cool. Looks beautiful with the fun print there. The Halloween spooky. All right, let's check out this other one. Look at this limited edition box. It's so cool. Let's set this right there and take a look at this one. See what I got here. All right. Here it is. Oh, has more grip. Yeah, with the weight. This is the Halloween special Spooky Squid Trainer V3.5 inked purple. These are the inked versions. The squid inked. And this one's the Spooky Triton inked orange. Let's take a closer look at this. Super cool. I definitely think I'm going to be keeping this one right here. That's just what I think I should be doing. I really like the orange one too. It's like the classic Halloween colors, all of that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this guy right here so I can feel better about flipping it. Now, I don't want to do anything too stupid in here under the camera. I don't want to be flipping this much as it is. Anyways, kind of want to just maybe keep this one nice. So if I do anything, it's not going to be over a table or something that it's going to scuff it up. I'm gonna do it over a couch or a bed or a rug. But I gotta flip it a little. I mean, there's no way I can not get this feels really good right away. Like how grippy it is. All right, let's see them side by side. That's the Triton right there. And here's the Squid Trainer. Happy Halloween, everybody. It's no trick. It's a treat for sure. The spooky trainers. All right, one trick. All right, not one trick. This feels really good. Aluminum handles, Squid logo, limited edition. Let's get some light on this. All right, I'm gonna film a little bit of me flipping this, and then I'll be back. This is a really awkward way to hold my camera. Inked. Yeah, I know I'm working on it, getting better slowly. This thing flips great. Has good grip to it. I like the grip. You know, that gripping right there feels really good. I've never flipped a Squid Trainer, but man, this grip is amazing. It just, you know, I see why people talk while they're doing this now, because you kind of tend to flip a little better when you're not really thinking about things. And that's usually the case for me. I get in a flow and I'm not paying attention anymore, and suddenly things get a little smoother, but I sit there trying and now I'm thinking about it, you know. But again, I'm just totally learning. I've not been flipping that long, but I do feel I'm making bigger strides all the time, you know. Just learned that thing. I got the choker fan. I got the catch the blade and flip it the right way. You know, I can finally do my, which something that was really having a hard time with, which was the 0G. I can do it, especially on my BRS, or the Atropos really flip great for those kind of moves. I can do it twice in a row. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, there it was again, but it's just not smooth yet. It'll get there. All right, I think that's good enough. I'll edit most of the good parts, probably leave in some funny moments, and let you guys laugh at me. That's fine. Pretty soon I'll be better than all you guys out there. Just kidding. Happy Halloween, you guys. All right. This thing is super cool, super fun. Just everything I expected. Stoked on it. All right, let's look at it compared to what some other trainers that I have. So my other squid that I got there, the Mako, and I got a Squiddy clear one. Let's look at it next to a Demon Light by Atropos. And we can look at it next to a BRS Alpha Beast. Looking pretty nice there all together. As I said, I'll be selling the orange one, I'm pretty sure, unless my mind changes. I'm really not sure. I probably want to put it up in my shop for a while and just show people. If you want to message me or follow me on Instagram under Damn Right I Got Knives, you can see some of the other knives I got in my shop. I own a record shop that I also sell knives, and it's kind of adding knives to what I do has become something to sell in my shop. And I realized with my channel, the way I do music and knives, it all makes sense. Why not sell them in my shop? I sent Squid Industries an email, so hopefully they'll approve me as a dealer. We'll see what happens with that. That would be really cool. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. This is Damn Right I Got Knives signing out. I'll catch you later on the flip side. All right, happy Halloween.